This is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. They say that a penny earned is penny saved. CR Forex, in association with Texprocil, is coming up with an event how to minimize your forex and banking cost. For registration, you can contact us at info@crforex.in. One of the viewers had requested us to explain how inflation affects the currency movement. So on the first part of the presentation, we'll be covering that, and on the second part of the presentation, we'll be covering what is the outlook for dollar rupee pair for the coming week. So let us first understand what is inflation. Inflation means a state of rising price, which basically means महंगाई. So whether inflation is good or bad, common myth in people is that inflation is bad. Let me give you an example to explain this. If the price of a flat which you are going to buy today cost you 2 crore, and then in the following year cost you 1.9 crore, and in the following year it cost you much lesser, then what you will do? Definitely you will postpone the buying. So demand for all land, labor, material, capital will definitely come down. As a result, what will happen? The GDP and the growth of the economy will also come down. Basically, inflation is needed for growth. So then the question arises, how much inflation is adequate? So we have to divide it into two parts. In developed economies like USA, central bank will target 2% inflation. In emerging economies like India, central bank will target inflation between 4 to 6%. Currently, the inflation in US is at 13-year high. And what does the Fed do when the inflation is higher than the target area? Let us understand in the following slides. So when the inflation is higher, the central bank can take two actions. Either they will reduce the bond buying program, or they will increase the interest rate. So when they do that, dollar index will rise. Basically, dollar will get strengthened. Once the dollar will get strengthened, money flow from riskier asset will move towards safe haven, and then the emerging market currencies will depreciate. This is what we are currently expecting in US to happen. A very strong inflation, Fed have to increase their interest rate, and dollar index have to move towards 93.5 level and followed by 95.5 level. Now let us move to the second part of the presentation, that what is the outlook for dollar rupee pair for the coming week. In the last week, we have seen that in the primary market, because of IPO, there were some flows. Dollar index, which was trading at 93.5 level, came down to 91.80 level. But rupee did not appreciate it beyond 74.20 level, because RBI was constantly buying at 74.20 to 74.30 level, which means that RBI does not want rupee to appreciate beyond 74.20 levels. As all other factors like rising crude oil price, US economy doing extremely well, FII continues selling in Indian equity market, August being a seasonality month where generally rupee depreciate, this all factor will keep rupee under pressure. 74 to 74.20 will act as a strong support for the pair, and we are expecting the pair to bounce back towards 74.80 to 75.20 levels in the coming days. With this, I will end my today's presentation. Jai Hind, Namaskar, फिर मिलेंगे.